Hi, fourth graders. This is Señora Cortez. Welcome back to our lesson 6 from a second step, understanding different perspectives. We're going to work a little bit on the fact that people can have different perspectives about other people, places, and situations. Besides, perspective taking is a central component of empathy. Look at this picture that we have here. What do you see? If you focus your attention on the black part, you will see a cup, like a chalice, like a wine cup. But if you focus on the white side, you will see two faces. People have different perspectives about the same thing. You all have your own perspective on what you saw, and neither one of you were incorrect. If you saw the faces, you were correct. But if you saw the cup, you are correct as well. Perspective has different meanings. The first one is to see or understand something. A second one refers to what a person thinks has happened, even if someone else might not agree. But how does perspective relate with empathy? We're going to see the story of two friends, and you are going, or you feel or understand what someone else is feeling, you're considering that they may have a different perspective from yours. And it is okay to have different perspectives. These are Alex and Randall. Pay attention to how Alex and Randall perceive the same events. Are you ready? Here we go.
When my brother Randall was my age, he had a sleepover at our house with his friend Alex. Alex thought it went really well, but my brother, well, he had a different perspective.
Well, thanks again. We'll have to have Randall over real soon. That'd be great. Tonight? Can we do it tonight? Oh, I think one sleepover per weekend is enough.
Bye, Randall. I slept over at Randall's house last night. We had a blast.
We can take out this side and then put that there instead. Okay, yeah. Alex slept over last night. It was the first time I had him over. It was okay, I guess.
Hey, cool, where'd you get this? We did everything.
He played with everything in my room.
We built this huge fort right in the middle of his room.
He moved everything all around.
We got to eat ice cream on his bed.
I think my mom has to wash my bedspread.
This is really
You're dripping.
His baseball card collection is the best.
And look at this one. It's signed.
Oh, cool.
I'll never get him back in order.
We stayed up way past midnight.
I was really tired, and I wanted to go to sleep, but he just wouldn't stop.
I like sleeping over.
I like my room to be neat.
I can't wait to do it again.
I don't think I ever want to do that again.
So how did Alex perceive the sleepover at Randall's? Take some time, go back to the presentation, and answer your questions. Now, think about how Randall perceived the sleepover. Write your thoughts as well in the presentation. Alex and Randall have different points of view about their time together. One of them has a great time, but the second one did not particularly enjoy himself. What might Randall be feeling? And what might Alex be feeling? Go back to the video and answer question number 3. Alex and Randall had very different feelings about the sleepover. This is because they preferred to play in different ways. Everyone has preferences or things they want to like or like more than other things. Randall prefers his room to be neat and not messy. But Alex prefers something different, to play hard, regardless of the mess it makes. Now, is this a reason to fight and not be friends again? Answer question number 4. Don't forget to answer why. Why or why not? Now, to avoid a big disagreement and stay friends, Alex and Randall need to respect each other's point of view. They need to understand that each person has the right to feel the way they do. If Alex and Randall try to see each other's point of view or walk in each other's shoes, as in the song Walk, 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 well, what do you think it would do for their friendship? Yeah, it will make it better. Now let's say that Alex and Randall decide to try another sleepover, and this time is at Alex's house. Think up some things that they can do so that each of them has a good time. Answer question number 5, and you're done for the day. Thank you.